Hello, everybody. It's me, Granny Jims, and let me tell you something. We are here at the party, and we are already in formation. All right? Take a look at all these good-looking people. Look at
Hello.
everybody.
Yes, we are.
Everybody is in the
Hi.
house. Say hi to the YouTube people, y'all. All
Hi.
Hello.
right. Say hi. Hi.
Hi.
Oh my goodness, so wonderful. Okay, so now everybody pick a dance and start dancing. And then what we're going to do is one by one walk down the middle of all of us in a line.
All right.
Okay, so that's how that's going to go. All right, so everybody start picking a dance, busting the move. All right, let me find my dance. Okay, let me see here. Uh oh,
I
get
gotta
it,
change
y'all.
my outfit real quick.
Get it, y'all. 70s is on it. Okay. So now, Emma, you will be first. We want you to go down the line in the Soul Train line. Go ahead, Emma.
Wait,
Yeah.
Granny Jam.
Yes.
Can I be like, Miss Sophia? Can I be last?
You want to be last, darling?
Yes, okay.
No problem. Go ahead and be last. How about I be first then? All right. So
Okay.
everybody, this is what I want you to do. Make sure your line is straight. So everybody that's in the middle of the line, everybody that's in the middle of the line, please make a line formation. Stand next to someone. Two lines, two rows. So make sure you stand next to somebody and do your dance. Okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk down the soul train line and I'm in the middle. I'm going to make a move, make a
My
gesture.
thing just froze.
Oh,
Hey.
hey, that's the soul train line right there, y'all. All right. Yes. I'm going to do it again one more time. All right. Make sure everybody
Rebirth.
record their own,
Rebirth.
they walking,
Rebirth.
okay?
Rebirth.
All right.
my
So,
my screen just froze.
oh no, because I
No,
got too much activity going on.
I don't want to be here. I'm going upstairs. I'm going upstairs.
Lizzie, you look so great, girl. You look good. You look so
Hold on, I think
good.
it's unfrozen. Oh, thank God. Thank God.
Okay. All right. So who's next? Okay, Sophia, since you standing there, go ahead, Sophia. Go ahead, Sophia.
Uh,
Okay, Emmy, go ahead, Emmy. You got it. You in the middle. Walk down. Do your dance. There you go. Yeah, get it.
And
Yeah,
yay!
go. Woo!
Drop it.
Train line. Yeah. That was so good. Who's next?
Which way we going?
Anyway, right now because it's so hard to get back in place. So
I
anybody.
see.
me.
Okay, I could go next.
Okay, go ahead, Coco.
Okay, hold on.
Legacy, can you stand to the side? Yeah, stand in the line, baby, so the middle is clear.
Okay.
Go ahead, Coco. Come on, baby.
All right. I'm
Soul
still trying
train
to figure
line.
this thing out, y'all. Don't mind me. Look, it's a
Everybody
small
looks
one. What
so
is that?
great. I can't wait for you guys to see this
Oh,
on the YouTube.
okay. Here we go.
Oh,
Here we go.
okay.
Don't say no bad word.
Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Woo! Looking good, girl. Yes. Soul train. Go ahead, Coco Stallion. Very nice.
Don't say no bad word.
Wonderful.
All right now.
Yes, you look
All right.
good, girl.
Thank
All
you.
right, who's next?
Me.
Okay, come on, me. Go ahead, me. Go in the middle, me. You got to go in the middle of the floor, baby.
Okay, let me find it.
Okay, yeah. Just walk in the middle of the aisle and just do a dance, and we will love that.
She said
Okay.
walk in the middle and dance. What's her? Let's see. Be quiet. Let's see. You remember me?
There you go. Go ahead, dance. Whoa! All right. Wonderful. Okay.
What is they doing back here?
That's okay.
Not crawling on the floor. I love it. I love it.
Y'all really
Okay,
think
who's
y'all
next?
funny.
Lizzie.
Me.
Oh, I thought that was you, baby. Okay. All right. Go ahead.
Like this said baby.
Okay, honey. Sweetie pie.
She called it sweet pie. Who the heck
Wait,
just
who's
said that?
going?
Okay. Go ahead and do your dance so we can all get a chance
Okay,
to
let
show
me
off our.
find my dance.
Okay, find your dance.
Whoever's saying that, they sound like a grandma.
Oh, these sound like babies.
Yeah, I think they are.
Matter of fact, I'm not no baby.
I don't
Oh.
know, baby.
Is that better?
I don't know, baby.
I would probably crash if I move.
Okay, so then don't move if you feel like you're gonna crash out. Don't worry. Don't worry.
My
Go ahead,
entire
Emily.
app is lagging
Emily,
out.
yay! Emily, get it. Go, Emily. Go, Emily.
Go, Emily.
Bro,
Yay! Good job.
wait. What? Oh no. I
Okay.
want to go next after her.
Okay. All right. Go, Rose. Go, Rose. Al, get it. Soul Train
I'm going
line.
next.
Okay. Go
Hey
ahead. Go
yo, leave
next.
me alone. You can't keep
Bro.
walking around. You gotta respect other people.
Right.
Okay.
We go on the next
Well,
game.
All right, Lizzie. Go ahead. The queen is on the floor. Let Lizzie go. Everybody clear the way. Go ahead, Lizzie. Wow. That is great. Go, Lizzie.
Okay,
Go,
Lizzie.
Lizzie. And
Go,
your outfit
Lizzie.
is beautiful. I love the hat.
Go,
Ow!
Lizzie.
Oh, somebody got. Somebody gonna come down the Soul Train line in the car? That is
And the teddy
awesome.
bear.
What?
Whose car is that?
what?
Why does that
I
look
think
so
mine is
cute?
broken.
Can it drive? Can somebody drive down the Soul Train line in the car?
I don't know. I'm waiting.
Wow, so I don't want Why is that? Why is that
All
not?
right. Well, this has been fun. This has definitely been fun, but I'm going to definitely have another one to invite more of the club members.
Can
You
I
know,
buy one? Can I buy one?
are you
I
in?
believe I'm in the club.
Oh, if you are in the
Yes.
club, that's wonderful. Okay.
Okay. I have to recheck. I honestly do not know. And I'm like, someone message.
All right.
Bruh.
So, you could see this video on a YouTube channel if you want to. So you could take a look at yourself in different angles and everything. And I think this was wonderful. Thank you all. This has been so much fun.
Y'all didn't even give me a
Okay.
chance to dance.
Oh, go ahead and dance, darling. I'm so sorry. Go ahead.
It's okay.
Everybody,
Who
I
was
want
going to dance?
it just the line got to get in order. We got to get the line in order. Everybody stand on the side. Stand.
Oh, we gotta get back in line.
We got to get it back in two lines, everybody.
Okay. Now can I dance?
We got to be in two straight lines in front of each other. Okay.
Come on, come on, guys. I gotta dance. So should we get on a different game? All right. Who's ready? I'm doing my dance.
Okay, until the next time, everybody. Thank you all
Okay.
for joining.